So hello, what up my people, welcome back to my channel once again. So today I'm going to be sharing my trade recap on BTCUSD. These are trades that I took on Saturday and Sunday. That's the weekend, this particular weekend that passed, and I will be sharing my trade recap on these particular trades. So on Saturday I saw on the 1 hour time frame we had some internal structure that are tradable on BTCUSD, and I started from this particular point here. So why I took this trade was that I had on the 15 minutes time frame, I saw a clear 15 minutes OCL, and irrespective why I saw this 15-minute OCL and why I was sure of this particular OCL was because of this support here at the bottom. This support here, as you can see here, we have an order block here, we have clear liquidity, and we have a structural S&R here. We have a structural support here that would surely hold on to this that will surely hold on to this order block here, that will make the market surely magnet these cells to this particular point. So what did I do at this point? I marked out my 15-minute OCL, and immediately the market came, it tapped into the OCL immediately, and the moment it tapped into the OCL, it started giving us immediate 6:1 RR. I'll be dropping my on my channel you're going to see the before and after of this particular trade and how I also catch this trade. So now this particular support here is an order block on the 1 hour time frame. Is an order block on the 1 hour time frame. So when I saw this particular OCL and I caught this trade on the 1 hour time frame, I knew it was going to buy a little. I knew it was a short buy. So what did I do? I went back to my 1 hour time frame to confirm my clear order block, and this was it. Let's see. So as I was saying, this is the order block that I was anticipating for. Can you see it here? This was the order block that was a support on the 15 minutes time frame, and immediately the market came, it actually respected the 1 hour support and immediately started giving us a nice 4:1 RR. Now why did I get out of this trade here? If you notice here, you will see that we have a clear order block on the 1 hour time frame again, a clear order block that has not been mitigated. Yes, it has mitigated. Okay, let me take this out. It has mitigated the wick but had not mitigated the body candle. That gave me a nice confluence that the market is going to hold at this particular point, and I don't like being in a consolidation, so that was why I left the market at a 4:1 RR. Now this market started playing at around 5 p.m. and I got out at around Asian session. This is 3 a.m. I left the trade because I knew no matter what, the trade was going to hit this particular level, and along the line it did. So on Sunday, this particular trade was for Sunday, but why did we actually catch this trade on this particular point? So we'll go back to the 15 minutes time frame to see why we actually held on to this particular trade here. So on the 15 minutes time frame, as you can see, you would notice we have a support also here, a double engulfing support, and irrespective, it's also an internal range liquidity. It's also an internal range, and from this internal range I was able to catch this particular trade. Now why did I leave this trade at this point? We would go back to the 30 minutes time frame to confirm why I actually exited this trade at this point. So let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. On the 30 minutes time frame, as you can see, you will see that we have a clear order block on the 30 minutes time frame. Clear order block with clear liquidity. Now, this liquidity was the reason why I exited this trade at this point. This liquidity here. So immediately I knew that this is a liquidity and this order block would surely hold, I exited this trade here and I caught a 3:1 RR. So on the 30 minutes time frame, the moment I exited this trade, the market came and actually tagged us in and started giving us immediate 6:1 RR also. And why did I exit this trade at this point? This double engulfing candle, this is also another internal support, and that was why I exited this trade at this point, and it gave us immediate 6:1 RR. Now, why did I wanted to actually catch this trade also to this next support? Now, this next support is also a 1 hour support, internal support. Is also a 1 hour internal support, but irrespective, the market did not hold that particular trade, and that was how this particular trade resulted as an SL. So from the weekend, we actually took 5 trades, we won 4 trades, and we lost 1 trade. So that is how we traded BTC for this week, and we caught some nice internal range trades. So thanks for watching my trade recap, guys, and I'ma see you guys on the next one. Peace out.